If you are a waxer, licensed esthetician, cosmetologist, student, listen up. We have some awesome events coming up this spring and summer. I'm Bree Mesquit, licensed esthetician and founder of Rebel Wax, and this year we have some amazing events coming up for you guys. Number one is going to be local here at our warehouse in Bend, Oregon. May 24th, we're having a warehouse sale. We will have things discounted up to 50%. We have some very lightly used or slightly damaged items, still perfectly fine, works great. This includes wax pots, some wax pads, SMAs that will be discounted heavily. You can also shop in person. All of our hard waxes, soft waxes, all of our waxing supplies. You can meet the team and I'll be doing demos as well. And what I'm most excited for is we have a local dirty soda vendor coming, popping up. They're gonna be here. It's from 10 to 2, so we would love to see you guys there. This sale is gonna be in person only from 10 to 2 during the warehouse sale. We will not be running an online sale. So if you are local or semi-local and willing to drive in, Bend is beautiful. It's Memorial Day weekend as well. Come spend a day, go hit the river, come visit us. It's going to be so much fun, and this is our first of many more to come. We're definitely going to be opening up our warehouse more often to do in-person sales and events like this. So I would love to see you guys there. Next up, our favorite event of the whole year is the Vegas Trade Show. This is going to be June 27th through 29th, and I actually have a VIP discount code for you guys in the description below. This is going to give you 50% off a 3-day pass. At our booth, we will have 20% off site-wide demos, and I'll be doing an advanced 7-minute Brazilian demo live at 12:30 on Monday. And this class is free and included with the price of your ticket. I don't think I mentioned our booth number, 2628. Also, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram. My personal Instagram is Bree Mesquit, and our product page is Lash and Wax OC. We're gonna keep you guys updated and have little flyers that you can save so you know where to find us when you show up to the show. The show is a 3-day show, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, with my free demo on Monday. Also, very excited, we were announced as a finalist for favorite hair removal. Rebel is a finalist, so we will be at the ASCP Reader's Choice Awards on Saturday night, and I'd love to see you guys there. I'm gonna have that event RSVP link in the description below as well. This will be Saturday night, 8:30 to 10:30, and doors open at 8:15, so get there early so you get a good seat. And last but not least, to close out the summer, we will be at ICES Long Beach. This show runs August 23rd and 24th, which is a Sunday and Monday in Long Beach at the Long Beach Convention Center. We will be at booth 427, and we will also be running 20% off site-wide. We only run this deal in person at trade shows and on Black Friday, so you definitely want to come stock up with us, or if you've been wanting to try Rebel, this is the perfect time. Come meet us, meet the team. I'll be doing demos, and I will answer any of your questions you have about any of our products. I will be doing a free demo during the trade show as well, which will also be included in your cost of admission. Details on that coming soon. Again, make sure you're following us over on Instagram. But most exciting, paired with the trade show, since we're gonna be in town, we did this last year and we're doing it again this year. I'm doing a 2-day workshop, Brazilian workshop. So we're going to learn all about business building, building on social media, and get hands-on wax training. I'm going to demo, and you guys are going to be able to practice with my oversight as well. This is going to be Friday the 21st and Saturday the 22nd. So it's a 1.5-day workshop, and it will be in Orange County. The link is below. It's a $200 deposit to save your spot. You definitely do not want to miss this. This is one of our most popular classes that we hold the entire year. So I would love to see you guys there. This class is great for any skill level, from beginner to advanced. Whether you want to learn a Brazilian for your first time ever, you weren't taught in school, and you want to get some hands-on training, this is for you. If you've been doing Brazilians and you're looking to maybe speed up your time or just improve on your technique, or you really need the business building help as well, this class is also for you. It's limited to 12 students, so it's a nice, small, intimate group. And we also have VIP tickets available as well for 4 of you. First come, first serve, and we will go ahead and have dinner and a business building meetup on Friday night after class, so I can dive in even deeper into your business and help you with wherever it is that you need help growing and scaling your business. That's everything we've got for you guys this spring and summer. Side note, I actually will be hosting a Brazilian class here in Bend as well. I don't have the dates nailed down yet, but again, follow us on Instagram. I'll keep you guys all updated there, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. I hope to see all of you there. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.